Coughs can be tough, especially for kids and sometimes adults too. Here are gentle, natural remedies that really work. For daytime relief, try this simple herbal drink. You'll need cumin seeds, fennel seeds, and honey instead of sugar. Boil the seeds in water for a few minutes. Strain and add honey once it cools enough to be drinkable. This drink soothes the throat and reduces coughing. Kids love this drink and adults benefit from it too. Now, for nighttime relief, this simple trick works wonders. Apply a small amount of Vicks on the soles of the feet. Then put on socks. Inshallah, this helps kids and adults too sleep peacefully through the night. So, whether it's day or night, these remedies are safe, natural, and effective. Try them and see the difference. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more easy health tips.